has held this water, 3,500 acres, wall of water. That's a large amount of water. That's 25 foot above sea level. That shouldn't be there. There should only be a river going through there. It would look like Payne's Prairie. It's just that simple. They should, whatever way the river is going to flow, it's going to flow. Let it flow back its natural path. Put the double gate bypass that's much larger than the bypass that's in there now. You put it directly facing west in the barge canal, and it works with an automated float switch. Okay, the water rises to a certain extent, the float switch rises with it, the gates open. And they open directly into the barge canal. Okay? The quicker the water comes, the more the float's going to rise, the wider the gates will open. So you can release all that water at will, as much as you want, directly into the barge canal, while the Withalacoochee, the entire Withalacoochee River, the Rainbow River, and every bit of it combined that is supposed to be for millions of years, freely behind it. Now you keep your level right there by a brand new spillway bypass that's built to release that type of water. The types of spillways we're going to be visiting today are not that type of spillways.